Today see about find the legend solve division mathematics sums. First question for 2 division 2 equal to what? 2 divided by 2 equal to correct answer for 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. 1 is a correct answer. Next question for 8 division 4 equal to what? 8 division 4 equal to 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 2 is correct answer. 8 divided by 4 equal to correct answer for 2. 2 is a correct answer. Then next question for 9 division 3 equal to what? 9 divided by 3. So 9 inside 3 times 3. So 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. So correct answer for 9 divided by 3 equal to 3 is a correct answer. The next question for 10 division 5 equal to what? 10 divided by 5 equal to correct answer for 10 divided by 5. 10 inside 2 times 5. So divided by 5 1 10 2. Correct answer for 10 division 5 equal to 2. 2 is a correct answer. Then next question for 7 division 1 equal to what? 7 divided by 1 equal to what? Correct answer for 7 divided by 1 equal to 7. 7 is a correct answer. Then next question for 1 divided by 1 equal to what? Division legend sums. 1 divided by 1 equal to 1. 1 division 1 equal to 1 is correct answer. Thanks for the watching video. This video you like, subscribe then share our channel.